This is the Schneider 1000 volt ampere UPS and I'm about to plug my 650 watt PC in it. One of the things that triggered me to take action and go buy this UPS was that James from LTT said that he lost an EVGA graphics card because someone put a vacuum cleaner in the same outlet as his computer, so it fried it. This problem would have been easily avoidable just if he had a UPS. Now, which UPS exactly should you buy? I'll answer that in just a second. There are many different UPSs on the market with different internal workings, but the basic principle of operation they all share is this. You plug a UPS into the wall and then connect whatever you're using, your monitor, your PC, or even a server rack, and the UPS has an internal battery that gets charged from the wall, and when the power goes out, it keeps your stuff running. Keep in mind that UPS is designed to give you enough time to save your work and safely shut down your computer, not to keep your computer running for hours while you're gaming or whatever. So, which UPS should you buy for your PC? You want to pick up a UPS with a volt amp rating 50 to 75% above what your typical wattage volt from your PC will be, and of course make sure to factor in anything else that you might have plugged in, like your monitor. Also, let's imagine a scenario where you're in the middle of a 4K gaming session and the power goes out. You won't have as much time as you would if you were just scrolling on Chrome or scrolling on Twitter or something. If you still don't know which one you should buy or simply can't do the math, comment your power supply wattage and I will recommend something for you. Like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and stay tuned for future videos.